An area that's really important to me in working with this population is our young people are at such a high risk for being taken advantage of. Part of this is because of them not understanding some of the social nuance that is happening around them. And some of this is a desire to feel like they fit in and make connections and have friends. It's really important for them to want to feel like they're part of this world, and connection is something that we all seek. And so as I kind of was pondering that and looking over different research, there's a friendship pyramid that I found and some other writings on different things. And I started kind of thinking about how we help these kids to understand. And I remember when I was a young person talking about circles of trust. And so in thinking about those circles of trust, then I started to kind of develop something. And this isn't just to protect these kids, it's also to help them understand social relationships and reciprocal interactions, to understand safety and trust and how to let people in slowly into your safety and trust circles. And so what we did is we developed this relationship circle. And what you see is best friends is right here in the center. And then it keeps going out to close friends, to basic friendships, acquaintances, and then just to respectful interactions. We played with this a bit. We kind of also helped them to understand that these levels of safety, these circles of trust are really important as they're developing relationships and friendships. All of my therapists actually have a copy of what I just showed you, and they'll take dry erase markers and write different names down and have the students figure out what circle is connected to that particular person. So they can start to talk with them about what is a typical way we develop safety and trust. What is a correct amount of exchange or a fair exchange of privileges and connections that you'd want to share with somebody? You don't want to give best friend privileges to someone who doesn't see you as a best friend. That's how you get taken advantage of. And that's also how you could inadvertently take advantage of a situation or be seen as creepy or odd in a situation, is assuming that someone is your best friend when they don't see it the same way. So having these young people kind of go through and see what it is with specific people in their lives, what kind of level of safety and trust they have with them, and what is a correct reciprocal interaction with them, what privileges should be shared or expected within that kind of trusting relationship, helps these kids to start to learn how to pull in the right kind of people in their lives and develop healthy, safe relationships.